What's that? You don't understand how to do it? Well, that's alright, we can help you out. First off, with any delta Q problem, we need our graph. And since we're still dealing with water, our units are 0 to 100. But now our temperature is 75, so we know we're going to be dealing with something here. But then it says we're going to ice. And ice is 0, so we're going to be dealing with this. And since we are changing something from heat to ice, that means we're going down and we're losing energy. So we already know what this equation is because we did this in our sample problem. But now we have a new equation. This equation can be written as delta Q equals M HM. M is simply mass once again, and HM we are given as 6.01. But this one has different units. Instead of having joules over grams like this one, we have kilojoules over moles. So let's work with this equation first. Delta Q equals, so our mass, we have 5.89 grams, but this is in moles, so we want to switch this to moles. So let's find the molar mass of H2O, which we know is 18. And then we have our given, 6.01 kilojoules per mole. But since we're decreasing energy, we want to make this a negative. And notice how this says kilojoules and this one says joules. We want to make it joules over grams, so that's why we found the molar mass of this. So we want to multiply this one by 1,000 because the difference of kilojoules and joules is 1,000. So now that we have this equation, let's write this equation. Our mass hasn't changed, it's still 5.89 grams, but we can keep it in grams. Then our CL is 4.18, and then our temperature is our final temperature minus our starting. So we have 0 degrees is our final, so it'll be 0 minus 75. And that gives us a negative 75. So let's make some more room. I'm going to erase these two formulas, so hopefully you memorize them. So now we have some more room. So after we multiply each of these, we simply just add them together, and we get delta Q equals negative 3813.12. This equation can also be known because you're decreasing energy, so that's why you have a negative in the front. And this is our final answer.